Welcome to Ownprint. In this video, I'll show you how to place a manual order. There are two main reasons you'll want to use this. First, it's how you order a sample for yourself, so you can hold your product in your hands before your customers ever do. And second, it's perfect if you sell on platforms we don't yet support. You can simply create the order here manually and manage everything from one place, right inside your Ownprint dashboard. So let's walk through it. Start on your orders page and click Create Manual Order. Step 1. Choose your products and personalize them. Search for the product you want and pick your options, the color and the engraving option. Then click Add to Order. Your item instantly appears in the Order Items panel on the right, and this is where you personalize it. Add the personalization, like the name, date or text that should appear on the piece. If you selected the product with back engraving, you'll also see a field for the back engraving text. This one's required. It's exactly what our team will engrave on the back. Now, about the upload fields. I'm ordering a blank product in this example. For these, you upload your own front design, so our team knows exactly what to engrave, and a mock-up, which is just an image showing how the finished product should look. So our team knows exactly how to position your design on the pendant. Both of these are required. By the way, if you're ordering a product that already has a design on it, you'll skip all of this. The design is already there, so no uploads are needed. If you'd like a custom message card, you can upload that here too, for any product. And if you don't, we'll simply include our standard card with the order. When everything looks good, click Next. Step 2, add the recipient and submit. You can set your own order number if you want, or leave it empty and we'll generate one for you. You can also leave a note for our team. Then fill in the shipping information so we know where to send it. Below that, you'll see your order summary. Take a quick look to make sure the items, the personalization and the files are all correct. Then click Submit Order. And that's it. In just a few seconds, your order appears on your orders page, ready to be paid. Once you pay, our team gets to work and ships it straight to the destination. So whether you're ordering a sample or fulfilling a sale from anywhere, manual orders make it simple to keep everything running through Ownprint.